This is Martina from YASKAWA Europe. Welcome to our software lab. Today I will be showing you a software checkbot that is used for monitoring and analysis of data collected by the robot controller. I will be demonstrating a checkbot software on this robotic cell that is standing behind me. This is an arc welding cell with two robots in the master and slave configuration. So I have R1 and R2 robot, and I have a positioner with two axes. I have a jig, and in the jig is clamped my welded part. Basically, I can monitor the situation of my robotic cell by Checkbot by connecting only through a web browser to my host machine where the Checkbot is running. I will show it on the screen so you can actually follow what I'm doing. Good, so I am recording my screen and now you should see my dashboard. So when you will enter the IP address of your Checkbot software or the computer where the Checkbot is running, then you will get into the dashboard page. This dashboard can be changed by you accordingly as you would like to have. So you can monitor multiple values, you can monitor the torque data, you can monitor the temperature, or the currently running jobs, or which cells are idle, which are in production. You can see what is the status of your backups, of your maintenance plans, and so on. I have also possibilities to have a multiple access, either as admin or as operator or as a management mode. So therefore you can see a different dashboard or you can access a different data from the robot. So you can always limit your access functionality. Checkbot can do this and much more. Please check it out. The link is below on this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.